Hi, I'm Cyrus Gary from CGI Technology. I want to talk about green HVAC concept. Green HVAC is using, or green heating and cooling is using renewable for thermal adjustment of two different delta T by convectional means, air exchange means. The first one, lower elevation, always has lower temperature, cool energy, and as you go to the ceiling, higher elevation, you have higher temperature, heat energy resources. The other delta T that I want to talk about is the indoor and the outdoor temperature difference that can be used. Thanks.